In today's video, I'm going to teach you about how to delete and void invoices in Xero. If you've ever found yourself needing to tidy up your invoicing by getting rid of unnecessary entries, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the process so you can do this efficiently and confidently. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the Sales section in your Xero account. To do this, look at the top bar of your screen, and you should see the option labeled Sales. Click on it, and when you do, a menu will appear below. From this menu, go ahead and select Invoices. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the invoices you currently have, a place where you can manage and oversee all your outstanding, paid, and draft invoices. Now, scan through this list and identify the invoice that you either want to delete or void. Once you've found it, click on it to open up its detailed view. This is where you can see all the specifics associated with this particular invoice. At this point, your objective is to look for an icon that resembles three dots, which you'll find positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will trigger a drop-down menu. From the options presented, you should see Delete. Select Delete to proceed. However, here's an essential detail to remember. You can only delete invoices that are still saved as drafts. So, if your invoice hasn't been finalized and, let's say you made a mistake during its creation, deleting is an option. Now, what if your invoice is already in awaiting payment status? In this case, deleting isn't possible anymore, but you can opt to void it instead. Voiding effectively cancels the invoice without removing it from your records, preserving your invoicing history, while ensuring it doesn't impact any of your financial reports incorrectly. If you've already sent the invoice, meaning it's been finalized and dispatched to your client, unfortunately, neither deleting nor voiding it is an option. It's crucial to keep an eye on the status of your invoices when you're reviewing the list. Checking the status there will immediately inform you whether an invoice can be deleted, voided, or if you need to consider other actions. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your invoices in Xero, allowing you to maintain accurate billing records and a neat, organized sales ledger. I hope this guide helped clarify how you can handle unneeded invoices and make your bookkeeping just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful Xero tips.